Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see, we've done like a hardcore workout. So now we're going to be doing, okay, I'm going to zoom into my profiles. So now we're going to be doing another cool down, okay. So we've done a warm up, we've done the workout that we needed to do. We're doing the cool down right now. The cool down is going to be posted before the workout, so you'll have that already and you're not waiting for it, okay. So the first thing that we're going to do is, we're just going to do roll downs, okay. So inhale, exhale, you're going to roll, chin to chest, go down, 2, 3, 4, and we're just going to stay here. What I want you to do is, I want you to take the weight forward, fold your hands and just stay. I'm going to stay. This is going to feel like heaven right now. Stay, and especially if you did the workout that I just did. 9, let's not talk about it actually. 8, 7. Again, now if this is too difficult, you can bend your knees and you can stay here, okay? If your hamstrings, the muscle at the back. If that's too tight, straighten. Stay. 6, 5, 4. Even if I'm going longer, you will really enjoy this one. 3, 2, 1. You're going to release your hands, okay? As you release your hands, you're going to take your right leg forward, left leg back, okay? Inhale. Now, do not open your hip up. Square your hip. Inhale. Exhale, drop it down. 2, 3. You want to stay. Again, if you're not all the way here and if you're here, don't worry. Try and hold whichever part of your body is comfortable. Eventually, gradually, over a period of time, you can drop down. This is not your goal. Your goal is to release and relax in the body, okay? I am assuming we're on 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You're going to get your left leg forward again. And again, we're going to stay here, stretching out the hamstrings. You will know why soon. 3, 2, 1. You're going to take the right leg back. Again, do not open your hip out. Square the hip. And down. Oh my God. Stay. 10. Breathe. 9. Relax. 8. So after you finish any workout, don't lie down. Your heart is still beating. You need to get your heart rate down while you're stretching out, okay? 4. Keep breathing. 3. 2. 1. One last one. You're going to come forward. Again, hold and stay. Relax. Breathe. Stay. 5. Breathe. 4. Oh, yes. 3. 2. You're going to release your hands. As you release the hands, you're going to bend your knees. As you bend the knees, you're going to roll up. 2, gently. 3 and 4. Okay, from here, what we're going to do is we stretch out our quadriceps. This is going to burn, which is a good burn, okay? So, we're going to get the left leg forward. Now come forward. As we come forward, you're going to bend your right knee. As you bend your right knee, you're going to get the right knee, boom, down, okay? So, as you get the right knee, you want to try and get your right knee as much to the wall as you can. From there, you're going to take your right foot, take it out. I don't know why I'm wearing shoes though, because of the workout before. From there, you're going to get, all my sweat is here right now. Anyway, you're going to get the knee and push it up as much as you can. You can stay here for 10, 9, 8. You want to try and get first the butt to the wall. 6, breathe. 5, 4, stretch the quadriceps. 3, 2, 1, take your hand up. Stay. 5. Try and get the back onto the wall. If you're here right now, listen, it's fine. If you can't even come up and you're here, you'll still feel a stretch, okay? So gradually work your way up. Don't worry. 2, 1, you're going to come back down. All we're going to do is just take the leg forward. Oh, yes. You're going to stretch out your inner thighs. Inhale, exhale, down. As you come down, try and get your pelvis down to the floor as much as you can. Oh my God, feels so good. Stay. 3, 2, 1, relax. You're going to come, change legs. You take the left leg in, knee down. Exhale, right, over. From there, first, remember your foot, you want to try and adjust it out. Inhale, exhale, push back. Listen, you all can do this without shoes, okay? I'm doing it because we just worked out, as I said. 3, stay. Yes, butt to the wall first. 2, 1, take your hands up. Oh, yes. Again, if you're here, don't worry if it's not happening. You can start here. Gradually, you work your way. Second level, third level up. Make sure your hip is squared. Oh my God. 3, 3, 2, 1. You come back forward. As you come forward, you move the foot a little forward. Again, your knee is in line with your ankle. So your knee is not going to be here. Can you see? Stretch and load is going to come over here. If there's more load here, your knee is going to start hurting. So adjust the foot forward as much as you can. And come down first. Oh, yes, yes, yes. You can get the foot back forward, okay? 3, 2, 1. Just one more level. Push up and stay up. 3, breathe. 2, 1, relax. You want to come back. Release, okay? From here, we're going to come and lie down on our backs. Now, as we lie down on our back, you're going to come slowly, gradually come down. And you're going to lift pelvis up. I'm going to stay 5. Lift it up. 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back down. If you feel too much pressure on your knees while doing this, I'm going to do one more of this, okay? Come to the wall. As you come to the wall, inhale, exhale, lift up. That's it. Stay 3. Lift as much as you can. 2, remember the pelvis wants to go up. 1, come back down. Catch your legs, hug your legs. Keep hugging. Stay 3, 2, 1. You're going to take your hands out. You're going to just drop your knee. It's not a workout, okay? So you're going to drop the knee to the side. Inhale. Exhale, drop it down. 2, 3. Get your head to the left side. Stay 5. Breathe 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back up. Inhale. Exhale down. Look on your right. Oh, I don't know if you'll heard that crack. Stay 5. Breathe 4, 3. Again, feet, legs, everything on the floor right now, yeah? 2, 1, come back up. Now, as you come up, we're going to go back a little bit and we're going to stretch to the sides. So, your hands are going to be down, right leg on the floor, left leg, I'm going to hug again. Ardha Pavan Muktasana, stay, breathe 5, breathe 4, 3, you can flex the foot or point the foot, whichever is comfortable. I don't have room to point, so I'm going to stay here. 2, 1. Take your left hand, T position. Or if there's no space, take it under your head, okay? Inhale, exhale, rotate. You want to make sure that your elbow and shoulders on the floor, and then rotate the right knee. Look onto your left side. Stay 5, so your hand can be out. Or 3, 2, I just realized how much I'm sticking because my nose is right in my armpit right now. 1, come back up. Hug again and release. Last one. Hold. In, stay 5. Breathe 4. Again, you can point or flex the foot, whatever is comfortable. 3, 2, 1. Take your right hand, T position. Left, drop it down. Again, you want the shoulder to touch the floor. Eventually, when the shoulder touches the floor, gradually you will work your knee to touch the floor, okay? 3, 2, keep breathing. 1, come back up. Hug again and release. From here, we're going to come. Last one, we're going to stretch out our shoulders. Again, this is a full body stretch, okay? So we worked hamstrings. We did back, shoulders. We're going to lie down on the front of our body, meaning lying down in your stomach. Inhale, exhale. First level, you're going to take your right hand in T position. Your left hand is in a push-up position. You're going to drop your head to the side. Inhale, exhale, you're going to drop. As simple as this. Stay 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you find this easy, you're going to take the left leg, bend the left knee, place the foot on the floor, and inhale, exhale, you're going to twist more. Open, stay 5. The second level. If you feel this is too intense, do the first one. Gradually, like I said, work your way up. Here. 2, 1, and you're going to come back. Left hand, right hand. Inhale, exhale. Oh, first one, my bad. I got it carried away. Stay 5. Keep pushing. 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend the knee. As you bend the knee, make sure that the foot is on the floor and you can try and get the knee further back. Stay 5, 3, 2, 1. Come back. Again, this is a full body cool down. Okay, so you're going to come. Inhale, exhale. Get your hands next to your chest. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, lift up. All the way up as much as you can. Roll the shoulders back. You want to try and get your feet towards each other. Stay 3, 2, 1. You're going to come back. As you come back, you can relax in puppy. Okay, just relax. Breathe. Stay 5. Breathe 4. Keep walking out with your hands. 3, 2, 1. From here, you're going to take your hands and you're going to bend 1 and down, working your shoulders. 2 and down. 3 and down. 4 and down. Last one. 5 and down. You're going to come back up. Okay, so you're going to come, get your legs up, fold forward. Okay, now as you fold forward, you're going to roll up gently. Get your feet forward, roll up. 2, 3. We're going to stretch out our calves. This is the last thing that we're going to stretch. Okay, cool down and stretch. Same thing. So what we're going to do is, you're going to walk. If there is a wall or if there's a window, great, but we're going to try and use the wall because most of us has the wall and no sill. Okay, so we're going to come forward. As you come forward, you're going to get your left leg, boom, forward, and all you want to do is, you're going to take the right leg back, and first you're going to bend your knee. Okay, now as you bend your knee, I want you to straighten the leg out. Hallelujah. As you stay here, you want to try and grip and come forward. Breathe, stretch. Stay 5. Breathe 4, 3, 2, 1. Other leg. Oh, this feels so good right now. My left calf is so sore. Anyway, right leg. You're going to get the right leg forward. Remember, you want to flex the foot. As you flex the foot, try and get as much as you can the heel to the wall in front. Okay, bend the opposite leg. Okay, if you're bending the opposite leg, keep the leg bent as it is and try and come forward as much as you can. Gradually straighten your left leg as much as you can. Take your hands forward, come forward. Last one, I promise. Stay 5. Breathe 4. Straighten as much as you can. Take the weight forward. Try and get the chest onto the wall. 3, 2, 1. Release and come back. So yeah, that's the cool down and I feel much better. Hopefully you'll like this too. And yeah, that's it. Till I see you next time. Practice daily. Stay safe. Stay humble.